All right, so this is elaboration check number 3. This is the final video for elaboration. So what I've got here, if you've not watched any of the other videos, this is the body paragraph, the Odyssey body paragraph from the mentor text essay that's available on the resources page of your outline. And the purpose of this video is to make sure that your elaboration is showing not just word choice and tone, which the previous video would have shown you, but it's also proving your theme. So you're kind of doing two things at once in your elaboration sentence. You're talking about word choice and tone, but you're showing how that word choice and tone proves the theme. So the previous checks will show you how to make sure that the first part of your elaboration connects back to the main point. And then you are also talking about word choice and tone, but I've specifically bolded the part where the writer of this mentor text essay proves the theme in their elaboration sentence. So in their essay, they're talking about the theme of never giving up. So each of their yellows is an example of the theme of never giving up. Your yellows might be about home or hospitality or strangers or whatever theme you chose, but they chose never giving up, so their theme has to, or their elaboration has to prove that theme. So this first example is about Odysseus being shipwrecked and getting himself to shore. And so it talks about how the power of inner strength can help someone persevere through difficult times. So that's all about never giving up. The next one is about Odysseus leaving Circe's palace. So it says at the end of the elaboration sentence, it says Odysseus is clearly lost in delight at Circe's palace, and he's choosing to go back to the ocean, and that has to require a lot of willpower. So gosh, he must never give up, right? So we're connecting back to never giving up. And then the last one is about Odysseus seeing his wife for the first time in 20 years before he can reveal who he truly is. And it says, well, he's got to wait to reveal his identity. That's going to be agonizing for him, but he's patient. He has self-control. He never gives up. So each part of your elaboration should really do three things. It should have some sort of transitional phrase that connects back to your main point. So this shows the theme because, and then it should have a part that talks about the tone or the word choice. So Lister creates a tragic tone to show. And then it should have that third part that connects back to the theme. So each of those pieces should be in your elaboration sentences, all three of them. That's a tricky thing to do, but it's something our elaboration sentences need to do in this body paragraph.